What up, guys? This is your boy JD here, back with another video. Today, I am doing a reaction with my friend.
The thing we're essentially reacting to would be apparently a funny, scary cat's compilation of Try Not to Laugh.
And so yeah.
And the clip will be 10 minutes and 34 seconds.
So I hope y'all guys enjoy.
Well, might as well just clip again.
Oh, and yes, this is Try Not to Laugh. So if I lose all my lives, then my lives are out. So yeah, this is Try Not to Laugh.
Looks like okay then. Okay.
Wow.
That one was just a little. Really? Just why?
Some of these cats on here be acting strange.
Right, there possibly be some cats that scare themselves.
Yeah.
Though. Oh, for example, these cats.
That one almost got me.
Right. I guess.
Uh-oh. What do y'all think, guys?
Oh, I personally think the cat might I directly know that's a person directly with that thing on.
Yeah, it has to be.
Right. Really. So that was just kind of, really. Oh, now cat trying to play with the laser. Huh. Let's just wait and see if that cat directly catches or not, or just scares itself. Oh.
My poor kid.
Oh.
The cat's me. Yeah, the cat is how I look. And sometimes if someone's scared, that's how I look sometimes.
Well, I, on the other hand, just don't really show any emotion. Oh. Looks like one of those cats is about to scare themselves. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think the.
Oh wow.
Well then. Looks like. Well then.
I have two now.
Oh, the cat trying to get scared at the mirror? Or is it just wanting to fight with itself? Wait a minute.
Oh my god.
Wait, it got so scared that it's seriously going directly on the floor with the crapping. Really? It scared itself that much?
Oh
really?
wow.
Oh.
Doink.
Oh, I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Cat scared itself. What is that?
The heck is that cat doing?
Right. Why would the cat do that? Just afraid? Or what is it afraid of?
Right?
Seriously.
She's dressing as a cat for Halloween today.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna guess the cat might just be scared of that.
The cat that's bigger than him.
Okay. Oh. Okay then. That was just kind of. Well, huh. Interesting.
That could do better.
Yeah. Real. Yeah. Well, looks like Cat scared itself off the boat.
I have one more life left. And sorry guys. There's a ad, so sorry. And yes, I have one more life left.
Okay. Just why?
The
Okay. Why? Well, that. Well, okay. Then. Who would have put that sweater then? Well,
I'm out.
whereas I'm still in. Well,
So I can laugh anytime, so.
whereas I, as a friend, on the other hand, I'm not out.
My friend's still in, so I can laugh anytime I want.
For I haven't laughed a single bit.
So.
Then again, and death inspires me in a spiritual way.
Uh-oh.
Well, it's like, okay. Yeah. So can't just.
Oh, uh-oh.
Well. So try not to get hit by
over
a
here.
toothbrush, or essentially. Toothbrush roulette.
Get out of my face. Uh-oh.
Okay.
How did that guy scare his own self?
I wasn't expecting that. Really wasn't. Yeah. It really wonders.
And if y'all want to see more reaction videos like this, leave it down in the comments below.
What are those cats even doing there?
I have no idea, but they're going wild.
Was that just a talking that I heard in there?
And like I said, if you want to see more reaction videos like this, please leave a comment down below. So, and subscribe to my channel, please.
Wait, that's just big. Well, okay, that was just kind of really why.
Wow.
Well then. What? How did they even scare themselves from that?
I know, right?
I think Cat's about to get scared in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Well.
And